Eric Peterson with ArboRisk here. Today's business tip, we're going to talk about umbrella policies and why you should have one within your tree care company. As you know, we're a firm believer in making sure you have the proper insurance protection for your tree care company. And let's face it, tree work has the potential to have a very serious worst case scenario outcome if there is an injury or an accident, right? We drive big trucks, we lift and drop heavy branches and heavy trees, and we just operate outside in the elements, and there's so many things that can happen in an accident standpoint. Tree care causes or has a worst case scenario potential. Therefore, buying an insurance policy like an umbrella policy gives you additional protection in case the worst case scenario faces itself or comes to life for you. Your traditional insurance policies usually only have $1 million, maybe $2 million of protection. And unfortunately, in today's day and age, one single issue can go above that so fast. You've heard us talk in the past about nuclear verdicts and how auto accident injury lawsuits are getting out of control from the awards and the settlements and the judgments that are placed on the at-fault party. When you're driving a big truck down the road, you have the very real possibility of injuring or killing someone faster and easier and unfortunately just more likely than if you're driving a smaller vehicle. That happens every day. You guys are on the road every day. You also see a lot of tree care companies now getting into bigger crane work, knuckle boom cranes, grapple saws, all that stuff. And with that can operate safer, sure, but if you're not taking the careful precautions, you don't do the right blocking underneath it and everything like that, you could have a very fast property damage claim that goes over that $1 million if the crane goes through the roof of the house, and God forbid, injure someone too. So your current underlying policies just aren't enough coverage in the legal environment that we are today. And if you look at the cost for umbrellas, actually it's probably some of the least expensive protection that you actually can buy when you look at it from a actual dollars you're paying for dollars that you're getting in defense cost and coverage and all that. Another thing that you should consider is a lot of municipalities, a lot of larger property owners, a lot of people are starting to require higher umbrella limits because of this. And if you don't have that and you don't have it set up, you're going to miss out on some opportunities that you might want to take on, bid on, or engage with from a business operation standpoint. So think about the umbrella. Make sure you're looking at your overall risk within your company. Understand that this is a great way at a lower cost to add extra protection for all the hard work that you built and put into this business. You would hate to see an injury accident happen within your company or against other people, I guess, from your company that destroys the hard work and effort that you put into it for what is a minimal cost on the umbrella policy up front. So if you're worried or concerned about the coverage limits that you have or the types of coverages and policies that you have, reach out to an ArboRisk team member today. We'll set you up and go through a free insurance coverage review. Make sure that you feel confident and comfortable with the coverages and limits that you have in place today. And if you're unhappy with that and we can place new business and coverage for you, great. We can get that done as well. So reach out to an ArboRisk team member today. Remember, please be safe out there and talk to you soon.